Hey girl, hey, welcome back to another video. Today is going to be a unboxing slash try on haul. I haven't done one of these videos in my channel in such a long time. I previously did one, but I honestly can't even remember when I did it. So for today, we're going to be doing a unboxing and try on haul. So let's go ahead and let's get started.
Most famous reindeer of all, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer.
Okay, so you guys know that this channel is all about looking good on a budget and saving as much money as we can, because you know your girl right here has priorities and she has bills to pay, but I'm still trying to look good. So ThredUp reached out to me, and when they told me they were one of the largest consignment stores online and that they wanted to work with me, and I was like, hell yeah, let's do it, because you guys know that I love thrifting. So I did order a couple things. They did come in 3 different boxes. I actually really liked that they have a free shipping on certain items and they have easy returns. So if I don't like anything here, I can return it. So that's a win-win, because I'm like, if anything doesn't work out, I can easily return it. And let me tell you that my shopping experience was like hella easy, and everything ran like so smoothly, because you know how sometimes you have to go page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4 online and you're like, I just can't find anything that I like. No, honey, on ThredUp that is not the case. You can literally search by your style, by your price, color, size. It is so easy to navigate the website. And then I found out they had Lululemon, and I was like, girl, hold up, because you guys know that I've been wanting a pair of Lululemon leggings for the longest, but they're so expensive. So when I found out they had Lululemon, BCBG, Banana Republic, and many other brands, and I was like, okay, let me just start doing my shopping around and see what I can find. So I did get them in 3 different boxes like I told you guys, and the packaging is so cute. I really like it. There are these polka dots, very simple yet very vibrant colors. We're gonna go ahead and get started with the first piece that I got. So I'm gonna be unboxing first, and then we're gonna do the try on haul at the end. So okay, let's see. In this paper, it tells you your estimated original price and the ThredUp price. So I'm gonna keep this on the side so I can tell you guys how much about savings, how much I saved. So it does come with this spread thrifting cheer. Oh, this is so cute. What is this? Let me see. Are these stickers? Oh, it comes with stickers as well. It's like a little holiday card. This is cute. And oh, it basically tells you thank you so much for purchasing everything with them. Oh, and I think I forgot to tell you guys, everything is hand selected to make sure everything is in like the highest quality, and even some items still come with tags. So it has little cute tissue paper, and it says warm wishes. I really like the packaging. I think they're doing a great job with that. Okay, so the first piece that I got, I don't even remember what it is. Let's see, what is it? Oh, I remember. Oh my god, yes, it's this plain black t-shirt, and this is from the brand Say What. I got it in a small size, and let's see how much this one was. Okay, so estimated original price is $24 and ThredUp price is $10.99. So I saved a couple bucks there, and I really like it. Okay, let's look at, this is the second box that I did get. So I did get, oh, I got these pairs of leggings, I remember. Okay, so these are by Gap, and I got these in an extra small. So estimated original price for the Gap leggings is $20 and ThredUp price is $9.99. And they look like this, and they have a zipper on the side. I really wanted these because I've been wanting leggings with zippers on the side, so I got this one. I got this one from Urban Outfitters. Yes, I was so excited when I also saw they had Urban Outfitters, because Urban Outfitters can be pretty expensive. So I got this one in an extra small, just like a cute little simple stripe shirt, a t-shirt. Estimated original price $34 and ThredUp price is $17.99. So did a couple savings there as well. Okay, and this one, oh, this one I got it because it was something so different. Like, I've never seen anything like it. So it's just like, you know, like a plain pink sweater, but I really like the detail that it has on the neck, and it also has it at the very bottom of the sweater, and it's kind of low to high, and I really liked it. Now this one is by the brand, let's see, Poof. Estimated retail price is $24 and ThredUp price is $13.99. I actually really like this one. It's like pretty good material, it's pretty thick. Let's open the other box. Okay, so in this box I have more stuff. I got a Brandy Melville shirt. This is a long sleeve black shirt. So the Brandy Melville, this is the long sleeve. Estimated retail price is $27 and thread-up price is $14.99. So this is just a long sleeve. I wanted a black long sleeve shirt because I don't have a lot, so I picked up that one. And then this, I was so excited for this dress because I used to see it on the Brandy Melville website, but I never picked it up. So this is by Brandy Melville and it's a dress, but it looks kind of like those dresses that they wear to go play tennis. This is the casual, is this a skirt dress? No, let's see. Oh no, this is the casual dress. This one, estimated retail price $36 and thread-up price is $18.99. So this one's in pretty good, everything is in pretty good conditions. Okay, and then this one is an active t-shirt. So you guys know I have an active long sleeve t-shirt. It is gray. I don't know if I have it somewhere on here, but I'm always wearing that because it's like the most comfortable long sleeve shirt that I have, and it's activewear, so it like molds to your body. So when I found this one and I was like, okay, I think I need a brand new one that looks a little bit different, and I really like the color. It's different. It's like a coral. It has this pretty cool design. This one's in really good conditions as well. Okay, so the brand is Rip Curl. Estimated retail price $89 and thread-up price $21.99. Wow, this was a heck of a deal. Really good. Wow, love it. Okay, this is the Rip Curl active t-shirt, this one, and I got this mid color. It's so pretty. I really liked it. It's something different again. Now this one, estimated retail price $39 and the thread-up price $17.99. Okay, last piece that I got is, let me button it up because I don't think you can really see it, is this Brandy Melville skirt. I've been wanting a skirt like this forever. Now this Brandy Melville skirt, estimated retail price $27, thread-up price $13.99. This is gonna be so cute right now that it's winter, with some tights and some cute little booties with like a long sleeve red shirt. I'm already picturing it, girl, in my head. It's gonna look bomb. So these are all the pieces, guys. So now let's go ahead and let's do the try on haul. Okay, so this is the activewear jacket. It's really nice fitting. I really like it. It's more of a coral color. I don't think the camera's picking it up. I think in the camera it looks a little bit more pinkish. It's more of a coral color. I really like the designs that it has here on the sides. I really like activewear clothing because it just makes me feel super comfy. I literally live in leggings and like activewear tops because they're just like my favorite. Besides, I always use them for working out, but just in general, when I'm like running errands or don't feel like getting ready, I just put one of these on. So I really liked it. I'm actually really impressed with the quality of this one. So this is the other activewear t-shirt from Rip Curl that I did get. I really like the color. It's more of a mint color, something super different. I think it's super fun to take this color to the gym. I don't know. I think colors and styles kind of motivated me to go to the gym. I'm like, huh, cute little mint top. Let's go work out. So I got this one. It's really nice fitting. It literally still has a tag on. I really like that it has a Rip Curl here in rainbow letters. It's really nice. So all I can say is I'm in love with this activewear t-shirt. Love it. So this is the Brandy Melville long sleeve black shirt that I got. I really like it. It's a nice fit. It fits very nice and tight. Very simple. You can dress it up or dress it down, but I really like it. I love shirts that are like this to just wear with like some high-waisted jeans and just some tennis shoes and looking casual and pretty. So this one is a really nice one. Okay, this is the Say What black shirt that I got. This one is off the shoulders and I really do like this one. This one literally feels really nice, and this one is off the shoulders. I really like off the shoulders, and I have a thing for like black clothing. I just love how it looks on me, so I really do like it. This one, again, it's not crop top either. It's a very nice fit. This is the Urban Outfitters shirt, and I think this one is one of my favorite ones. I really like it. I love stripes. If you guys didn't know that, I love stripes, and I really like that it has this cutout here. I just feel like it's very sexy, very feminine. I like it. What do you guys think? It's a very nice fit as well. This is the poof sweater. Oh my god, I'm digging this. I love what it has around the neck. I feel like it's so different, but it's so cool. I like it. Now, I did get these leggings, so we're gonna go ahead and try it on with the leggings. I don't know how I'm gonna make it work to try on the leggings and the skirt, but we'll figure it out. So the leggings fit perfect. They're very nice fit. This is what the zipper looks like up close. This is the skirt right here. I love the skirt. This is the Brandy Melville dress. From the bottom, it's just pretty flowy. I'm just not gonna show you guys because I don't have the appropriate undergarment for The bottom piece, it is pretty see-through. From the top, I feel like it's great. You just need to wear one of those sticky things here, or just like a very see-through bra. A silicone bra will be nice. This is the other Brandy Melville dress. I am loving this dress. It's such a nice fit and it feels so comfortable on. This is what the front looks like, and in the back it has a few cutouts and I am loving it. Okay, so that was the try on haul for you guys. I really hope you guys liked this video. I think overall everything I got, I really did like it. That's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Guys, also don't forget ThredUp is offering you guys a 30% off discount on your first purchase. All you have to do is go ahead and click the link down below in the description box and use my code, which is PITA30, for 30% off your first purchase. So take advantage of that, and if you end up trying it, let me know if you liked it or if you didn't. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, my loves.